What's up, guys? Proselyz here. I wanted to do a video on Curse Voice and the Curse system for creating mod packs in Minecraft and modded Minecraft. It's an amazing way, it's a very simple way to put together your own mod pack. I also want to go through a fun exercise that my daughter and I did together to create our own mod pack and the process we use to make it kind of fun. And with some surprising results, I got to say. So if you're not familiar with what Curse Voice is, I'll just show you briefly what it looks like. This is what Curse Voice is. It's a couple things. It's a launcher essentially for mod packs. You can install your own. The standard mod packs. You can browse through all the different kinds of mod packs that there are that are pre-made by other people, by version, for example, of Minecraft. There's all kinds of them. I mean, the Direwolf 20 packs there for 1.7. Lists what version of Minecraft these are all for. Loads of fun. Great way to do it. A very easy system to use. But it's not just that. It's also the primary method that we use to talk. Well, if my daughter's in a different part of the state from me where she lives, and we want to play Minecraft together on a server, or if we're here at my house and we're playing on two different computers in two different parts of the house, Curse Voice is something that we can use so that we can both be in the LAN world and yet communicate. And it works well for Minecraft. It works for 7 Days to Die, etc. And yeah, it's great. That's my daughter's. That's my cousin. We created a little group for 7 Days to Die. If we all were playing on the server, that I could call everybody else in the group at the same time. So that's Curse Voice. You basically, what I did, of course, was tied it to my Minecraft username. And anyway, you get a little symbol here. You get a little green light if the people are online, and you can find friends. But let's go to where to find it. If you just Google Curse Voice download, you're going to find it. Download the Curse app, Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android. You go here, you download it, get it installed. The one thing that is tricky a little bit sometimes is you have to get to be able to see this little Minecraft thing. You sometimes have to go to settings here, and you'll see configure, and you can click Minecraft down here, and you have to add it. I mean, it's already there for me. So it's already in there. But sometimes you have to go to add-ons or extensions you click on Minecraft, hit add. But I've obviously already done that. It's very simple to do. Once you get the Curse Voice app downloaded and installed, you'll have to create your own Curse username and password to log into Curse, and keep it simple. Just use this. Probably you want to use the same thing you use to log into Minecraft. That's probably what most people do. Then you go to settings, make sure that Minecraft has been added in, because that will allow you to use Curse. That'll give you this tab here for Minecraft, and that's what you can use to install mod packs or create a custom profile. And we'll go through that, I guess, right now as well. Once you've got Curse set up and installed, you can create a mod pack. Like I already showed you, you can click on Browse Mod Packs. There's all different kinds. There's like sort by. There's official FTB packs. You name it. There's all different kinds of things. One thing that I like to do is create my own custom profile, and you can call it whatever you want. And I'm just going to put suggestion tutorial, and tell it what version of Minecraft you want it to use, and that tells it what version of Forge to use. I'm going to go ahead and say 10.2. I'm going to hit OK. And okay, so now I have this blank bare mod pack, right? So there's no mods installed. So you click on get more content, and then it lists for you all the mods that are available, okay, for this version and this Forge edition. And that's all you have to do is click install, and it'll go through and install those things. You can read a little bit about each of the mods that you want to add, and it tells you what all the mods are and what they do. Now, obviously, there are a lot of incompatibility issues out there, and sometimes it takes a little bit of experimentation. The beauty of this is you can get some stuff installed, and then you can, like I have done in here, for example, there's a mod, I might have actually removed it altogether. There's a mod I like called Realistic Terrain. Yeah, it looks like I've removed it entirely. There's a mod I like called Realistic Terrain that doesn't seem to work for whatever reason. You get the same kind of terrain development though with Quark. There's a way to do it, but you can just deactivate it if it's not compatible, or if you change something and you get your game blown up and it now won't work. Whatever you add, it's good to only add a couple things at once. So that you can, if something doesn't work, you can disable it if you need to. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through my mod list so you can see what mods I have. What I did was I basically took the FTB Unstable pack for 1.10, and I went through and added stuff that I wanted. And the way you do that is, whenever you go to a standard mod pack, you won't see this when you first download it because it's locked and they won't let you mess with it. But if you click here on the little ellipsis up here, you can see there's a thing here for profile options. And this, by default, is locked. Well, you can check it to unlock it and hit OK. And then you can go in and get more content and look for any of the mods that you want to try out, things that you want to add in, like immersive engineering. I haven't added that to my mod pack. Actually, additions is in here too, I think, but I haven't added that. There's all different kinds of options that are available, and that's the fun of using Curse. It's both a launcher and a chat client, so that you can talk. It works for me. It works better than TeamSpeak. That's just me, and it just has a lot to do with the stuff I've already got installed on my computer and that my daughter and I like to use for setting this stuff up. And it works effectively for a couple of different kinds of games, and I like it. It's very simple to use for me, very easy to use to modify things. What my daughter and I did to create our own little mod pack with, I think it was this one here, we went through and we made a list because we knew we wanted to make our own mod pack from scratch. It's been a while since we played it, but we wanted to make our own mod pack from scratch. And so, there's a few mods that I really like because I'm usually into tech mods and certain kinds of, either technology or engineering type mods or things like Buildcraft. Buildcraft isn't available for 1.10 yet, but like Industrial Craft, Ender.io, things like that. So, and there's some things that she likes that are more creative. And Minecraft Comes Alive. She loves Minecraft Comes Alive. And so what we did once Minecraft Comes Alive was available for 1.10 is I had this idea, and I said, hey, honey, let's make our own mod pack. And what we'll do is you're going to be on your computer, I'll be on my computer, and we're each going to write down separately. We're each going to pick, I think it was 10, might have been 15 mods. It was either 10 mods or 15 mods. And that we wanted to have in the pack. And we knew by default, we knew that there was going to be a lot of overlap. Like, for example, you can tell If I go into this mod pack here and I look, oops, that's the one I just made. If I go into this mod pack and I hit get more content, these are like, if I organize these by popularity, there's some stuff that you have a pretty good idea that is in almost every mod pack. Okay, because they're so popular. Journey map. Who's not going to use journey map? Wayla. Everybody's going to use Wayla. Inventory tweaks. Probably iron chests. A few other things. Harvestability. Those kinds of things. We knew there were going to be things that would be, she would put in her list and that I would put in my list. And what we decided was, every time that there was a duplicate, then that would give each person another pick. So in other words, if I pick 10 and 5 of them were duplicates, then I get to add 5 more. And we came up with a little system so that we went. What we did was we said, okay, you go first, and she picked one, and then if that was one that I also had, then we added that. Maybe that's how we did it. Every time there was one that was a duplicate, we added one to the pool, and then we went through. And by the time we got down to the end, because see, we wanted to each have an ability to have a mix of mods that were good for everybody, but also an ability to create and have some mods that were particular favorites for each of us. And this was a way back and forth to try to narrow it down. And what I liked about it, what became entertaining and kind of fun about doing it, was it sort of, if you pick the right number of mods, it really kind of made it entertaining because you had to really make some decisions. Okay, well, let's see. There's inventory tweaks, and is there something else that's similar, or like maybe there's storage drawers and extra utilities. Well, do I want storage drawers? I mean, I have to have iron chests more than storage drawers, right? So, you got down to brass tacks in terms of like, holy crap, I didn't even know Bibliocraft was available now. Ooh, I have to do that. Anyway, sorry, I'm getting distracted. But that's an example. Just right there, that's an example. When we saw that Bibliocraft was available, now that's going to make me choose. Oh, wait a minute. Because, we didn't want to sit down and make a mod pack. Oh, it's not available for that. Anyway, that's 1.8.9. We didn't want to make a mod pack that was so huge that we couldn't run it on one of the laptops that I have. In case she has a cousin that will maybe sometimes come over. And we wanted to be able to run it on a laptop as well. And so we didn't want to have something that was, 120 mods in it. We wanted something that was a lot closer to 75 mods, somewhere in there. And we weren't counting child mods. Like, for example, with Minecraft Comes Alive, you've got Radix Core is required for Minecraft Comes Alive. So, that counted as one. Because, it's a parent and child mod issue. Anyway, that was a way to create a lot of fun with, coming up with a mod pack so that each person in the family or each person in the group gets some mods that are important to them, but that the things that everybody needs, like journey map and things like that, are actually covered, and that somebody picking that doesn't count against the whole group. So it doesn't count against for people using their mods. Anyway, it's just, that's one thing that I thought that Curse was great for, was it gives you a system it gives you a way anyway that you can start with a totally blank mod. A mod pack. You can just have it. You can start out blank and add just what you want. If you want to make a mod pack, it's all about farming. You could do it. If you want to have something that's purely about creative design, you could add in things like carpenter's blocks. You could have chisel. You could have Bibliocraft and a few other like extra biomes and a few things that are like very ornate, things that are pretty. If you're totally into tech, you could load it up with industrial craft and buildcraft and Ender IO and a few other kinds of things. Deep resonance and RF tools, and if you want to make other dimensions, I don't know that Mistcraft is available yet again, but something like Mistcraft in 1.7.10 was great. Ways to create other dimensions. Curse voice is just a great way for basically two things. Number one, to manage your mod packs and have a launcher that allows you to easily create and launch your mod packs and keep them updated, by the way. If I go here, I think I already today updated all of these. But like if I go to this other one, I go to this one. This is a 1.8.9 mod pack. You'll see whenever an update's available, it'll give you a little it'll give you notice. You can click on that and see changelogs and versions. And it tells you which one you have installed, and it gives you the opportunity to download and install a variety of different versions of it. So, and then the other thing that Curse Voice gives you the ability to do is have a chat client, so that you can vocally stay in touch with whoever you're playing with and say, hey, why don't you guys go over here, or you take care of this while I go do this other thing. And it's just very handy, very convenient. So anyway, I guess this is the first, I'm not even going to call it a tutorial video. I guess I'm going to call it a suggestion video, because I think that I'm just suggesting that this could be something that people could be interested in. And really, you're going to have to just download it, make sure you get the Minecraft thing here so that you can go to settings and make sure you get the Minecraft piece of this installed so that you can get all of the mod packs you want created, and it gives you a really convenient and easy way to create and utilize mod packs. A lot of fun. But anyway, this is the first video in my I guess Minecraft suggestions series, and probably the next one I'm going to use, or that I'm going to do, sorry, is one on Tinker's Construct, smeltery, and a couple techniques to try to get your smeltery expanded rather quickly. Something that I think a lot of people kind of miss out on an opportunity to do early on in their Minecraft games. So I will see you guys in the next Minecraft suggestions video, and we'll talk soon.